Hello from Garrett Motors here in Coolidge, Arizona. As you can see, we have a lot of inventory here on the ground here at Garrett Motors. This is our new SUV and car lot. We have new Chevrolet, GMC, and Buicks. Here at Garrett Motors, we offer 2 years of free maintenance. So we'll do your first 4 oil changes, tire rotations, and wash the outside of your vehicle for free. We've been here for over 80 years now, so our #1 goal is customer satisfaction. We would love a chance to earn your business. We also have a lot of used cars. Our lot's right there across the street. And then a lot of new trucks, as you can see over there. Our address is 197 North Arizona Boulevard, again in Coolidge, Arizona. And our telephone number is 520-723-5401. Or you can visit us online, www.garrettmotors.com. Again, we'd love a chance to earn your business.